start screen, and this is where you choose your basically your mode, where you can choose between like the display, which is the art mode, and the VR, which is the customer mode or the VR mode, and they switch dynamically between the two inputs or the two peripherals. So, for example, if I start on this, okay, it's empty now. We had this function, but like let's illustrate in some example. Actually, before that, I'm gonna explain one of the systems. Sorry, one of the systems is the arc bone or character that we use, and the other one is teleportation. The teleportation basically is a mesh that you can see where you're gonna land, and basically you press there to convert there. And the nice thing about it that it doesn't feel any sickness because of the VR. The other one is the arc VR, arc character, which basically has an indicator to show you some cases. For example, if I'm looking at a table, it will be green, and we have like a little outline. Maybe you can't see it now, but like if you come close, you can see it. To like, no, this object is now selected, and of course, if you're out of range, you will see red and white for anything else. Now my partner will show a small example of what we can do.
Okay. One of the funny things, one of the most important things we do in our system is the movement of furniture. This involves a lot of mathematics, a lot of computer graphics principles, which we had a lot to do for finish this functionality. Okay, so if I hover on the object that I want to manipulate, then with a few buttons I can move it in a place I would like it to go to. Then there is also the ability to move it in all directions as well as rotating it. If, for example, I'd like to put okay.
Of course, this is the library we talked about. So basically, if you decide to spawn something, you see it and you can rotate it and tag the tag.
So here I placed a book over the table. Okay. One of the things that I would like you to see is the material change we can do. So here I'd like to change the material of the table. I have a material preview where I can see the material before I apply it to the object I'd like to apply it to. So for example, if I'd like to apply glass material, which is here I apply the material. One last thing I would like you to see is the color we control, where we can change the color as well as the material of the object.
Okay, let's illustrate more the VR part of our system. So I'm gonna place some fun things, like I'm gonna spawn a vase or something. This is a stand. Of course, it's all categorized, so you can actually choose between tables, chairs, or anything. And you can view it actually in VR. So if we press this and I pick up this, so you can see like a small preview on the screen of how it's supposed to look like. But of course in VR, it looks, you can feel the depth and it's very comfortable. So you feel actually through there, and you can like see the dimensions and everything. Okay, so now I can see everything I spawned, and of course I can see the highlight that I talked about, and I can like move the furniture as we did there, like so to illustrate what the customer can do. And we can do other things like change materials and those kind of stuff. Other thing that we can do in VR is actually, so in VR, how you interact with the world is a bit different. So you need other type of menus. So this menu provide like change place. If I'm gonna change place like to the bedroom, so just imagine that this is the bedroom. So I just moved there. I don't need like to do this to move back or something. You know, it's just fast. I'm gonna also illustrate the change the ceiling material. Okay. There was a bug. I'm not sure what was it. I can't see that. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna move back to actually the architect mode.
معكم 5 دقائق.
Okay.
هو أنا بصراحة مع الأسئلة يعني معكم بجوز أنتوا already.
So we're gonna show the other example to the examiners now, just like a brief preview. It's really beautiful. You can really appreciate the system within it. Who would like to try first?
كم راح تاخذ على الكل راح يصف على الدور. كله فيز يعني.
هلا هي الكنترول.
ايه؟
اوكي لا انا غلطت انا غلطت
دكتور جينا أنا مش اللي فيها تفاصيل
فيها بالضبط اللي فيها هاي كواليتي.
هذا الجيل؟
لا
لا علمني. بس انا حابه اشوف خلاص ضل في شيء هون حكي راسك بس حكي راسك
لا بس خلاص
احمد اكبس انت ايوه
طلع بالضبط بتعدل شغله بس
المفروض انه هذا الرياض احنا عايشين